Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 71. Which tense describes a background action in the past when something else happened? A. The birds sang as I walked through the park. B. The birds were singing as I walked through the park. C. The birds have sung as I walked through the park. D. The birds sing as I walk through the park. Correct answer, the birds were singing as I walked through the park, past continuous tense. Question number 72. Which tense indicates a future action that will be in progress over a specific future duration? A. From 9 to 10 p.m., I will read. B. From 9 to 10 p.m., I will be reading. C. From 9 to 10 p.m., I read. D. From 9 to 10 p.m., I am reading. Correct answer, from 9 to 10 p.m., I will be reading. Future continuous tense. Question number 73. Which tense is used to describe a current, ongoing project or task? A. We build a new house. B. We are building a new house. C. We built a new house. D. We will build a new house. Correct answer, we are building a new house. Present continuous tense. Question number 74. What tense describes a habit or routine in the present? A. He is playing tennis now. B. He plays tennis every Tuesday. C. He played tennis yesterday. D. He will play tennis tomorrow. Correct answer, he plays tennis every Tuesday. Simple present tense. Question number 75. What tense describes an action in progress that might be interrupted? A. They cooked dinner. B. They were cooking dinner when the power went out. C. They have cooked dinner. D. They cook dinner every night. Correct answer, they were cooking dinner when the power went out. Past continuous tense. Question number 76. What tense indicates a future action that is a promise or a voluntary action? A. I help you with your homework. B. I am helping you with your homework. C. I will help you with your homework. D. I helped you with your homework. Correct answer, I will help you with your homework. Simple future tense. Question number 77. What tense describes a future action that will be in progress over a period of time? A. Tomorrow, I will work. B. Tomorrow, I will be working from 9 to 5. C. Tomorrow, I work. D. Tomorrow, I have worked. Correct answer, tomorrow, I will be working from 9 to 5. Future continuous tense. Question number 78. What tense describes an action that started in the past, continues to the present, and is still ongoing? A. He learns English for 2 years. B. He has learned English for 2 years. C. He is learning English for 2 years. D. He has been learning English for 2 years. Correct answer, he has been learning English for 2 years. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 79. What tense describes a future action that will be completed by a specific point in the future? A. By Friday, I will write the report. B. By Friday, I will have written the report. C. By Friday, I am writing the report. D. By Friday, I write the report. Correct answer, by Friday, I will have written the report. Future perfect tense. Question number 80. What tense describes a future action that will be ongoing for a duration up to a specified future point? A. By next month, I will live here for 5 years. B. By next month, I will have lived here for 5 years. C. By next month, I will be living here for 5 years. D. By next month, I will have been living here for 5 years. Correct answer, by next month, I will have been living here for 5 years. Future perfect continuous tense. Like, comment and subscribe.